Hello, in this video I'm going to show you two websites you can use to preview your fonts before using it in your design. So the first one I'm going to show you is 101 fonts or 1001 font.com. I've had it opened and you don't necessarily need to sign in or sign up before you can use the website. So here in this box, I'm going to put in my text to preview the font before using it. So if what I wanted to use in my design is Hallelujah, on 1001 fonts, you just have to wait some seconds and it will load up each font in the text you have inputted to it. So from the list, you can choose the one you want to use in your design, and you can check as much as you want to before using it in your design. And second one is darkfonts.com. So you can see here in darkfont.com. So in this preview box also you can include your tests. I chose Hallelujah, so let me use it again. So but on that font you have to click on enter on your keyboard or return on MacBook. So you can see now that it loads up the fonts in the text I input into the box. So you can check anything you are checking at all. Maybe you are choosing from the font family, it will always load up the text you have put into the box for your preview. So I hope you find this educative and you can subscribe or follow me for more content like this.